Imagine having a tool that not only helps you organize your thoughts, but also clears your mind, boosts your creativity, and even supports your mental health, all in just a few minutes a day. Sounds pretty powerful, right? Well, that tool is right at your fingertips. It's journaling. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of journaling. Whether you've never picked up a pen outside of work or you've got a stack of filled notebooks at home, this video will show you how journaling can change your life. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have all the tips, tools, and motivation you need to start journaling today.
So, why journal? What's the big deal? Well, journaling has so many incredible benefits. First up, it's a powerful tool for mental clarity. When you write down your thoughts, it helps to clear the mental clutter and bring a sense of calm. This is particularly important if you're feeling stressed or overwhelmed. Another huge benefit is emotional processing. Journaling allows you to explore your feelings and understand them better. It's like having a conversation with yourself, one that helps you navigate through life's ups and downs. Journaling also boosts creativity. By writing regularly, you can unlock new ideas and perspectives. Whether you're an artist, a writer, or just someone looking to think outside the box, journaling can help you tap into your creative potential. Lastly, it helps with goal setting and personal growth. When you journal about your goals, you're more likely to stay focused and achieve them. Plus, reflecting on your progress helps you see how far you've come. Now, let's talk about the different types of journaling methods. There's no one-size-fits-all approach, so you can choose what resonates with you. First up, the classic diary-style journal. This is where you write about your daily experiences and thoughts. It's perfect for self-reflection and capturing memories. Then there's the bullet journal, which is great for those who love structure and organization. You can create to-do lists, track habits, set goals, and more, all in one place. It's like a planner and a journal combined. Gratitude journaling is another popular method. Here you focus on writing down things you're grateful for each day. It's a fantastic way to cultivate a positive mindset. If you're looking for deeper self-discovery, try prompt-based journaling. These are journals that offer daily or weekly prompts to get you thinking and writing about specific topics. Finally, there's creative journaling. This could be anything from art journaling, where you combine drawings with your writing, to poetry, or even mind mapping. The goal is to express yourself in any way that feels right. All right, now that you know the benefits and methods, let's talk about tools. The great thing about journaling is that it's so versatile. You can go as simple or as fancy as you like. For a traditional approach, all you need is a notebook and a pen. Choose a journal that feels good in your hands, one that inspires you to write. You can find lined, dotted, or blank pages depending on your style. Next, pens. This might sound basic, but the right pen can make a big difference. Whether you like smooth gel pens, colorful markers, or classic ballpoints, choose something that makes writing enjoyable. If you prefer digital, there are plenty of journaling apps out there. Apps like Day One, Journey, or even a simple notes app can be a great way to journal on the go. Digital journaling offers the convenience of having your thoughts with you wherever you are. For bullet journaling, you might want to pick up some extra tools like rulers, stencils, and colorful markers to make your pages pop. So, how do you get started? My biggest tip is to keep it simple. Don't put pressure on yourself to write the perfect journal entry. Just start writing. Set aside 5 to 10 minutes a day and see where it takes you. Also, remember to make it a habit. Consistency is key, whether you write daily or a few times a week. And if you ever feel stuck, try using prompts or switch up your journaling method. Now here's a little challenge for you. After watching this video, grab a pen and journal or open a notes app and start with just one sentence. Write about how you're feeling right now or something you're grateful for. Trust me, you'll be amazed at how quickly those words start to flow. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more content on personal growth and productivity, and let me know in the comments, what journaling method are you going to try? Happy journaling, everyone.